Setting up a YouTube channel for success is crucial if you want to stand out from the crowd and grow your audience pretty fast. And in this video, you can expect to learn the essential strategies and tips to help you set up your channel for success and make it thrive in 2025. Many new creators make the mistake of rushing into creating content without defining their audience or developing a content strategy. This can lead to a lack of direction and consistency, making it difficult to attract and retain viewers. Creating high quality content is not enough to guarantee success on YouTube. I'm telling you this from experience. You need to have a deep understanding of your audience and what they actually want to see or what they are actually searching to get answers for. Your brand identity is also vital. It's what sets you apart from other creators and help you build a loyal following. See, weak branding can make your channel look unprofessional and confuse your audience. You see, consistency is key when it comes to uploading content. If you don't upload regularly, your viewers will lose interest and move on to someone else's channel. And trust me, you don't want that as a new content creator. So developing a content calendar can help you plan and organize your content in advance. You need to ensure that you always have to post something. Ensuring that you have something new to offer to your audience is one thing that will keep you ahead of the game and will actually pose you as someone who is actually a serious content creator on the YouTube street. And then the next thing you will need to actually take into cognizance is optimization. Optimizing your YouTube channel is very, very crucial. It is something that will set you for success, and it starts with your branding. This includes your channel's name, description, and tags, which should all be consistent with your brand identity and reflect the content that you are creating or you intend to create. You should also plan your content carefully. Do that carefully, considering what topics will resonate with your audience and how you can present them in a way or in an engaging way that will hook them in and keep them watching your content for a long time. Engaging with your audience is also vital. You need to respond to comments and create a community around your channel. Sorry about that. And we're going to leave that into the video just so that this can actually sound or look very original. So this will help you build a loyal following and increase your chances of success on the YouTube street. One thing that I cannot overemphasize is consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to uploading content. If you do not upload regularly, like I said, your viewers will lose interest and move on to someone else's channel. Using keywords and tags in your video titles and description can help your videos get discovered by a wider audience and increase your views. The one essential tip that can dramatically improve your channel visibility and subscriber growth speedily in 2025 is to jump on trends in your niche, within your niche, and be consistent. Remember, I said trends in your niche because trends have a way of dragging new people that haven't seen your channel, don't know who you are, to your channel, because the algorithm have a way of pushing anything that is trending into the For You page of the YouTube platform and actually reveal new content to a wider audience, if at all it's something that is trending. So always be quick to jump on any topic or anything that is trending within your niche. It's more like a cash cow. It helps you actually draw out of any trend within a short period of time. If you know who Do Dash is on the YouTube streets, she's one of the persons that has actually jumped on a trend, and then it really helped her, and other people actually jumped on her and actually blew up their channel as well. So trends is something that can quickly get you audience, watch hours, and visibility. Going further, trends help you to tap into a vast audience quickly. It makes the algorithm favor your channel faster, and to your audience it makes your content more relatable, because when something is trending, it's something they're also hearing about. So when you also give your own view about it, it makes your content, your channel, a lot more relatable. And then consistency, on the other hand, it's a key when it comes to building an audience. If you do not upload regularly, like I've been saying, your viewers will lose interest, and then they will no longer find you interesting, and maybe jump to someone else's YouTube channel. And then focusing on quality over quantity. I would say this in two phases. Yeah, sometimes when you're just starting out, you just need to put out content, quantity over quality, because in the virtue of trying to make quantity, you eventually stumble on something that will blow your channel, or you eventually find your stand, find your niche, and then find your hold, and then begin to build on that. And then you actually need to get locked in, and then if you're not putting out quantity, you won't be able to catch that momentum, catch that spirit, catch that atmosphere for you to run with. So yeah, quantity at some point is something that you would have to put out a lot of videos just so to make a statement. But again, quality is always better than quantity. The point is, it is better to upload one high quality video per week than to upload low quality videos every day. But I think I've actually tried to make these 2 points very clear for you to understand. So yeah, this is the extremes of quality over quantity and quantity over quality. So understanding your analytics is also very vital. It helps you see what is working and what is not, and help you make changes to improve your channel's performances. So to summarize everything that I have said, setting up a successful YouTube channel in 2025 requires careful planning, consistency, and engagement with your audience by following the strategies that I mentioned prior to this moment in this video, and you will be able to build a strong foundation for your channel and increase your chances of being successful on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment what your biggest takeaway from this video was, and do not forget to watch my next video where I will be sharing my top tips for creating engaging content.